Smart fridges mining crypto. AI bots going rogue. Entire companies breached through an aquarium sensor. You've entered the cyber twilight zone, where reality and fiction start to blur. We're talking about cybersecurity incidents that sound too strange to be true, but absolutely are. These events expose the weird, uncharted corners of tech, where outdated systems, smart devices, and human error collide. These aren't Black Mirror plots. They actually happened. A fish tank sensor gave hackers access to a casino's internal systems. A smart fridge was hijacked to mine cryptocurrency. And an AI chatbot, trained on open internet data, turned toxic within hours of launch. These stories might sound absurd, but they highlight serious risks. The more connected our world becomes, the easier it is for threat actors to exploit obscure entry points. If it's connected, it can be compromised. And it often is. To avoid becoming the next strange headline, you need to treat every device, no matter how mundane, as a possible threat vector. That smart coffee machine? If it's connected to your company network, it needs to be secured like any other endpoint. The cyber twilight zone isn't coming. It's already here. But with the right awareness, you can step back into reality and stay protected.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.